Looking at the RUITOOL 2-in-1. Now this is a great jig because it'll let you drill shelf pins as well as mark for your cabinet hinges. So let's see what it can do. So the kit comes with the jig itself, and with that you get drilling guides for either 1/4 inch shelf pins or 5mm shelf pins, the two most common available. Plus you get drill bits to make either of those size holes as well as the appropriate stop collar. Finally, you get an indexing pin, so you're not really limited to how long of a run of holes you can make. Just use this indexing pin to extend the jig for the next set of holes. And these drilling guides are threaded into the aluminum body, so that gives you a nice wear surface. It really reminds me of a high quality dowel drilling jig. And on the back side, you'll thread in these offset bumpers that will control how far the row of holes is from the edge of your cabinet board. And you've got several different choices for what that offset should be to accommodate a wide variety of both cabinets and furniture. And I think I'll go with that middle one, which is a 64mm offset. Choose the bit you're using and set the depth stop with the included wrench. So after the first batch of holes have been drilled, just slide your jig down and use the indexing pin to align it with the last hole that you drilled and continue on in the same fashion. Just pull that indexing pin and you'll have a nice consistent row of holes that'll perfectly match the holes on the other side of your cabinet thanks to all the great features on this jig. And that's a perfect friction fit for my 1/4 inch brass shelf pins. And when it comes time to drill for the cabinet hinges, you can just relocate those spacers to your desired setting here. I like to offset my hinges about 6mm from the edge of the cabinet, so I chose the 6 threaded hole on both sides. And we'll position that on the board. And just make sure that the stops are positioned like this so the knurled part of the knob is down below your workpiece for that offset to be correct. And I like to clamp this in place so it won't shift as I'm using my awl to mark the center point of the cup hinge as well as the screw locations according to the style of cabinet hinge that you're using. We'll get those marked and we're ready to drill. And just a standard 35mm bit for this. And as you drop the cup hinge into the main hole to check for the right depth, you might notice that the little dimples now are perfectly centered in the mounting holes thanks to the accuracy of our jig. And I typically pre-drill those with a depth limiting bit. That way you know your hardware installation will come out spot on. Looks good. So if you're looking for a high quality shelf pin drilling jig, I think this RUITOOL is a great one to go with. It's got that really thick aluminum body with a nice red anodized finish. Plus it's a very compact tool, so once you're done with your drilling job, that'll stow easily anywhere in your shop. But remember, it has that added benefit of being able to accurately mark for your cabinet hinges, so this RUITOOL is a great choice.